Yo, what's up, you guys? We are hanging out here outside. And first video right here. And you're here with the Country Boy Squad with Casey the Goat. And then over here you got Crazy Daisy. And if she goes in the fire, I better say no. She's over here. She's hanging out. So today we're going to be doing a boat tour. Crazy Daisy is not going to be in this video that much, but right now she is. But I want to come out here. I want y'all to meet Crazy Daisy. She will be in a couple of videos. She'll probably be in almost all of them. But yeah, if this dog will stop jumping, we can get into the vid. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Boat tour. It's boat tour today. Let's take off these sunglasses. And let's put on the glasses. Hold on, y'all don't have to stare at a W for a little while. So we're going to start out with the boat. It's going to be a ride tour. Okay, first we're going to start out with the outside of the boat. Okay, right here we have a 50 horse Mercury, 4-stroke. This is a 2004 or 5 Fisher. I think 4. Yep, Fisher. Okay, so we got a motor guide, trolling motor on here. Not Minn Kota, just a motor guide. Something there. We have our net backing on here. We're going to start with the front of the boat and then the back of the boat, and then we'll make our way up there. We're going to start here, make our way up there. Okay, if y'all are looking for a beginner boat, y'all probably don't fish with a lot of people, don't get a 17-foot boat. I'm going to tell you that. Okay, first compartment right here, some storage. This is where we keep a bunch of stuff at. My mom's tackle here. Okay, I didn't do much here. Under here, batteries and all this stuff. Okay, onboard charger. Best thing ever. Okay. Let's go over here. I need to really move them rods. We're gonna move these 2 rods to over here. Then we're just drop shot rods. Okay, and there's just a live wheel. We ain't gotta see none of that. It's not split or anything. It ain't nothing too cool. Bunch of junk. Wait, hold on. Okay, sorry about my tennis shoes and joggers. I hate these things. I hate them. Under the seat, we got storage. I hate picking that thing up though, so we ain't gonna do it. Okay, let's move to the pretty good part of it. Okay. Right here, no hot flip. Here, this is how you go. You push it down, trim. You gotta hit this button to make it go forward. But you don't have to hit it. Just to push the thing forward, you gotta put that thing. Okay, reverse is all right there. Okay. speedometers don't work. Because right now it says we're running 10 miles per hour. Well, 15 pretty much. You don't want to really care. Horn. Honk, honk, honk. Live well. Build, live well, and lights. Okay, this little switch down here. You flick it. Lights come down there on and up there to the sides. Okay. I'm about to show you the best graph ever made. It's the Lowrance HDS 7. We have one at the front too. I'm not going to get into the graphs too much in this video. There ain't no horn there, it's just her, and it doesn't even work. It's a 2004 model, it's pretty old, but I don't care about that. Okay, let's move to the front of the boat. Deck. So this is deck, well, not too big. One person big. Big enough for one person. We got that motor. We got trolling motor, Lowrance. Light. Here, Raj. So whenever there's some storage under there, that will hold some old life jackets in. Some stupid ones. We have our rods here. I'll get into them here in a minute. Let's actually go back here again, and we'll show you some of the other rods. Actually, let's do that. Okay, so I can sit back down. Okay, here we go. Here's my rod. Here's one of my rods, actually. This is my jerkbait rod. 6.6 medium. It's a good jerkbait. I like the color. It has a Daiwa tool on here. Daiwa, do not come on and hit me up and lose also. Great rods. Great rods, great reels. Don't have any of their rods, but I want them. And I like Kate. So I almost got a hook stuck into me. But then well, yeah. That's pretty much it. But it has a Bass Pro carbon light on it. Love the carbon lights. Okay, right here, mine. Drop shot rod. My very first drop shot rod. My very first one. Great rod. Loose speed stick. Right here, we got loses. Yes, we do have loses. And always. And pro qualifiers. Okay, well, this is mine. Right here. You know how it works. Really smooth 5-ball bearing. Yeah, we'll have some camo on it. I love the camo. It's a speed stick. It's a great rod. Okay, now that's mine also. We have way too many rods on this boat. If you are going to get a boat, get a big boat for 3 people. 2 people, this boat would be okay with. Okay, this is a Carbon Blue GT, as you can see there. I think it's a 6.8, that's a 6.6, 8-ball bearing, I think, right? 8. Yeah, it's an 8-ball bearing for sure, I remember now. Let me just try to find it. Yeah, 8-ball bearing system. 5-ball bearing system down there. Both of our rods are really good. I think his is just a little bit lighter. Okay. We still have more rods to get right here. Okay, this one used to be mine. It's a 7-foot rod. It has nothing on it at the top, but now I gave it to my mom. It has a Daiwa tool on it. Still love them. Okay, fish drop. Great rods, I guess. Well, not great rods, great reels. They're okay. It's a fish drop. I've never seen one at Bass Pro. The person just gave it to me. Gold right here, gold there. Oh, not really gold. It's just plastic painted gold. Okay. That's about all it for right here. I got a Eternity Special on here. Nothing crazy. Okay. Let's move up to the bow. Yep, that's what you call it, the bow. This is we're going to call this the console. And I can't remember what that's called. Okay. Yes, our boat is definitely a mess. We have spoons and stuff all over the place. I wish I had this kayak and that grab for my kayak. Boy. We have way too many rods on here. Yes, it's kind of annoying. Okay, here, tackle. Just tackle. Spinner baits, jerk baits, and all that crap in there. I'm not going to get into that because I hate it opening it. Tackle is all in here. This is where the seat will be. Whenever we have it up, if we ever do. Whenever we do. Okay, Lowrance HCS7s. Still. Go do Gilman Ranch's best crafts that will ever be made. Bird Hummingbird, Bird and Carmen, all of them. Okay, let's get into some rods, I guess. Well, actually, we just have a bunch of worms down here. Yes, we are not organized. This is Junior Flukes. This should be, I think, don't say. Let me just look. What is it? That looks like. Let's just open it and see. This is just our unorganized box kind of deal. Yes. There's worms and all of it. Okay. This is done flossing, and this should be crawls and like stuff like that. Crawls and like that. Okay, fish scale. We have our fish scale here. Rapula. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Oh. These tournaments, you're gonna hook your fish, or like I'm gonna hook this phone right here. You're gonna hook it in its mouth. You're gonna pull this up. And you're going to measure it. You're going to say 14,000 pounds or something like that. I don't know, 14 pounds, 10 pounds, even 3 ounces, maybe. That used to be an American flag until it kind of changed its colors. Okay, I guess we got to do these rods now. I say kayak door, but not quite yet. Daisy. Okay, we'll go and play with her here in a second. So, we got a Shimano Cardiac, I think that's how you can pronounce it. Good. We have a loose speed stick on here. Great rod. Johnny Moore's carbon lights with a little dowel, like always. Okay, and then another dowel over here. Same stuff on it. Same dial as I think. I don't know. I'm not looking at the gear ratio. And here's the dial to 2 and 100. And let's call that. It's the dial and same thing. Jig rod, spoon rod, spinnerbait rod, chatterbait rod, jerkbait rods, and a bunch of other rods out there. Okay, we're gonna hurry up and do the kayak one. I do not using my GoPro right now. I'm just using the phone. But guess what? Phones are just as good. Not really, but they're good. But I like this type of video. Fishing, they're hard. I think I may have a setup I can probably do. Let me just get down here with the kayak. Okay, kayak will take like 3 seconds. This year, Lowrance hit me up. Dowels hit me up. Moose hit me up. everything keep me up. Google tackle box. We have some like just different types of lures, Googan baits, Lifetime Tamarack. I love these kayaks, good beginner kayaks. Okay, I don't use that much, so there ain't nothing in there because it goes all the way back and up. I wish they could fix that, I do. But so I can put swords right there, so I just keep all my tackle in my tackle box. And life jacket, here we got a Daiwa Tula with a Pro Fire rod and a spinner bait. There is one rod I did forget about, and that's my mom's Pro Fire. It's a Pro Fire rod and reel with a jig on it. Good rod. Okay, I do have some rope on here. Like, you know, if I got tied up or something. Rod holder. So, we're gonna go and say hey to Crazy Daisy. And then this is gonna be the end of the video. Here in a second. But let's flip this around. Oh, hey, out glasses. Hold on. Glasses. So much better.